Witness the power of the Speed and Infinity feature. Once you have upgraded for the SIF, you may now start making additional income through your members. In order for any member to avail of the SIF, each account must be activated and upgraded. The following explanation assumes that every member's account has been SIF upgraded. You and your upline get 100 pesos each for every first 5 level 1 downlines. Let's say that number 1 of your first 5 level 1 recruit 5 more members. Number 1 will earn 100 pesos each from his first level 1 downlines, while your upline also earns 100 pesos from each of these downlines. This process will continue and apply to every first 5 level 1s from your own first 5 level 1. This is the speed feature of the enhanced program, as it will allow you to earn faster with the help of your upline. The speed feature moves vertically. And now for the infinity feature. This will apply from the 6th downline onwards, also on your level 1. You will earn 200 pesos for every downline on level 1, starting from the 6th person onwards. You will see in the graph that the infinity feature moves horizontally.